this dirt is for the racetrack.
Nice. That's a good one. We gotta do it again over here. You want to try to scoop right there?
That's weird.
Try to bring your bucket in. Yep.
There you go, yeah.
Yep, and then go dump it. Get a big one, bub. Yeah, buddy. Board's getting to work, and I'm just sitting here drinking my latte and digging the pool. The ground all level. I got the post cemented in. I used T-post to put through my little retaining wall here. I cemented the 4x4s in to add onto the deck later. And now we're gonna set up the 12x24x52 Intex pool. I got some of that folding 1/4 inch insulation. It was about 150 bucks to cover the whole ground. Now I'm just unwrapping all the supports. Yeah, that's where we're at. I'll keep you updated on how this goes, but it's pool install day. Here we go. We're gonna sink this above ground pool. Tell me, Porter kills me. We stayed up late last night. We got the pool up. We're gonna try to fill it with well water slowly. So we only put in a couple inches, 3, 4. Only about 14 more days to go. It's a big pool edge. Yeah, we got her up. Took about 3 people, 4. But I got concrete in the posts And that's where we're at. Back here at the farmhouse flip, we have started I have started the pool deck. Coming off the back door, the back deck, I'm gonna try to get at least this front part done, so the kids can jump off of here into the pool. Pool is full. We brought in a semi water, 5,000 pounds. We only got about 1,000, between 1,000 and 2,000 from our well. It was just taking too long. It's $500 to deliver 5,000 gallons of water. But I added a couple posts. I put the concrete in last night, and looks like they used 2x6s for the floor for the deck. So I'm gonna try and match it. It's gonna get expensive, so we'll probably just do this part first. That way the kids can get in and out easy and it's safe. I'll add some stairs here, a walkway. It's over there. Eventually add some stairs here. Eventually put something around here. But yeah, pool's running is great. We've been in it about a week now. I'll fill all these cinder blocks with concrete, make our wall and post stable. Sand pump filter is awesome. We gotta run some electrical. I'm gonna run it from the basement. But yeah, it's a 12 by 24 Intex above ground pool. And we sunk it. The pool did end up sticking up a little bit higher than the deck, but we'll make it work. Just a little bit. Yeah, buddy. I'm gonna mortar the basement, cement, fill all the holes for my electrical. There's gonna be a 4-plex over there for electrical, so we have something over here. I do need to run a light over on the back of this house because it's dark. It gets really, really dark. There's our hot tub. I need to sit in that bad boy sometime soon. And I'll be picking up some more 2x6s. We'll go quick now. Yeah, buddy. After all the digging, it's gonna be cool now. Eventually I'll go all the way around the pool, and there'll be a deck angled this way towards this corner. That'd be cool. Yeah, buddy.